1 day full house. Very nice. Sriram, open the task tracker. Let's go one by one. Huh?
Sure, boss. On the first line item, we are waiting for an update from Ravi team. And once we have all the details, we will process for approval.
Okay.
And the second one, we are reworking on the data as there are some mismatch.
How can we slip like this, huh? Unnecessary work, no? We have to concentrate, man, on this work and all.
Sure, boss. So,
என்ன பரணி சுஷ்டி எல்லாம் காலையே காணோம். ஓகே ஸ்ரீராம், let's get started. You open the tracker and let's go one by one. Okay va?
Okay. On the first row item, we are waiting for an update from Ravi team, and once we have the details, we will process for approval.
Okay.
Second one, we have reworked and shared and awaiting response from the team.
Complete slip up, unnecessary, no? Senior guys, how can you do this?
Sure.
என்னையா, only we3 are there at the call?
Don't know, Magesh.
Yeah, you go and check, go.
என் மொபைலில் சிக்னல் இல்லை, நான் வெளில போய் கேட்டு வந்துடுறேன்.
Let's get started. Open the tracker.
On the first row item, Ravi has asked time till Monday.
Okay.
And on the second row, the internal team is okay with the data, so we can close this.
Complete slip up, no? Unnecessary work, pa. 1 week additional இதனால நமக்கு போச்சு.
Okay.
தேவையாது. என்ன ஒரு பையனும் காலேஜ் ஜாயின் பண்ணல, சீராவையும் காணோம்.
Hello, Magesh.
Yes, Chira.
On the first row item, Ravi has asked time till Monday, and on the second row item, we should have been careful. Therefore, it is closed with 1 week delay. Thank you.
Chira, call.
Limit your meetings to avoid losing your importance.
So this call is all about getting the design closed in 2 weeks of time. Since this is a short term and the duration is also short, we'll have to get 3 more people as loan from Pradeep's team. That reminds me, yesterday I was talking with Ravi. Ravi was telling me about the conversation that he had with Pradeep. It seems Pradeep has become too much of a crybaby, and he talked about the recent award that was given to Naresh. Naresh deserves it because he did not get promoted for 4 years, no. At least an award must be given, right? If we don't do that, then what is the purpose? You know his team girl Divya? She got promoted. Actually, Naresh should have got that. The sad part is she got married and she moved to Bangalore. So that promotion they could have given to Naresh, no. Useless people. Okay, speaking of the loan thing, those people will join from Monday. Just brief them on the needs. Let's do it in agile way and let's do parallel testing. Keep one daily update mail going to the client manager. Okay? And Pradeep might come and ask you for the updates. In that case, you direct him to me. Okay? In fact, we don't have to give any updates as this is loan, right? You know what? Pradeep had created some issues when he gave 2 people as loan to Vishwa's team. It seems Vishwa lost his cool and he spoke bad words in the call. Okay, pa, I'm done. So, can you tell me what you understood and what you're going to do further?
Actually, Divya got promoted and she got married to Naresh. And she went to Bangalore. So Vishwa used bad words on Pradeep and he got award. These things Ravi told to you.
During a meeting, have an agenda and stick to that.
Hey Gayatri.
Yeah, Naresh.
I have sent you an email with all the details.
Oh.
Please do read and contact me if you have any queries.
சரி, நான் மெயில் செக் பண்ணுறேன்.
See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
நேரம் கேட்ட நேரத்தில் மெயில் அனுப்புவோம். சரி, ஒரு நிமிஷம் நிம்மதியாக இருக்க விட்றானுங்களா? ஏங்க எனக்கு ஒரு மெயில் வந்திருக்கு. நீங்க அவனை தூளில் ஆட்டி தூங்க வச்சிடுங்க இப்பவே. லேட் ஆகும் நான் வரத்துக்கு. பெரிய மெயிலா இருக்கு. ஏங்க படிக்க சொல்லுங்கங்க அவனை. 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னு தெரியும்ல. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார வச்சு படிக்க சொல்லுங்கங்க அவனை. இந்த மெயிலை முடிச்சுட்டு வந்துடுறாங்க. ஏங்க காலேஜ் கிளம்பிட்டானா அவன்? டேய் தம்பி, மாத்திரை எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு உன் பொண்டாட்டி கூட பத்திரமா வெளியே போயிட்டு வாடா. இந்த மெயிலை மட்டும் படிச்சுட்டு வரேன்டா தம்பி. டேய் பெராண்டி கண்ணா, அந்த கண்ணாடியை கொஞ்சம் போடுறா. இந்த மெயிலை மட்டும் படிச்சு முடிச்சுட்டு வந்துடுறேன்டா.
Keep your emails short and to the point.
Yeah. That's it, guys. So now I will open this call for everybody to talk. Let us make it an interactive session. When I say interactive session, it is not just me, the Ravi talking. It is everybody, each and everybody in the call must be talking. About that. So with that point, I will open this forum for everybody to talk. First, I will start with Mohan. You are the quietest person in the group, so I'll start with you. Go ahead, Mohan.
Thank you, Ravi. As you said, we'll get the recurring call with...
Yes, absolutely. Recurring call. Why we need recurring call? Thank you, Mohan. Thank you for your feedback. With that, next I'll move on to... Yeah, Vidya. Go ahead, Vidya. All yours, Vidya.
Thank you so much, Ravi, for this opportunity. So, I'm going to talk about the code that we...
Absolutely. Thank you, Vidya. It's a very good point. Code is a good... That is good. So, who's next? Yeah, Vishwa, the stage is yours. You can go ahead. You are quiet, but not this time. You go ahead and talk, Vishwa.
எங்களை எங்கடா பேச கூப்பிட்ட? நீ தானடா பேசிட்டு இருக்க. Yes, Ravi. Actually, Ravi.
Yeah. Thank you, Vishwa. That's a good point. So overall,
In a meeting, please allow others also to talk.
I will share the update in 1 hour.
What, Divya? Bharat Bandhan emails, I sent 1 hour before itself. You're not seeing,
I was on a call, we'll check.
Fully calls? Seems only you are working here.
Okay, Pradeep, anything else?
So, what's your manager Magesh is telling? At least this time he's promoting you,
No. Okay, Pradeep, just give me some 1 hour, I'll read your email.
Hey, I wanted to ask you something. I saw a pic of you and that Lokesh guy, in FB. You both went to movies,
That was before COVID as a part of team dinner and movie.
But he was only sitting with you, no?
Pradeep, I don't encourage such conversation.
Hello. I don't want your encouragement. I'm already encouraged to talk to you. It's how this call recurring, no? Huh?
Okay, Pradeep, I need to move on.
You see the new guy from Midstream?
Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to manage this guy.
No, you don't have to. Wait.
Hey, Amir, good time to talk?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, the guy from your team, what is his name?
Pradeep?
Yeah, Pradeep. I just happened to hear his conversation with my team member Divya in my office.
Oh, is it?
He's absolutely not professional.
Okay, so what exactly?
Yeah, I'll talk to you in detail, but for now, find another one. We don't need this guy.
You never know who is with whom. Watch when you talk.